Assalamu alaikum and a very good evening to all of you. How are you all doing today? That's really wonderful. I am Md Muhsin, I am an alim. I have done alimiyat from Darul Uloom Nadwatul Ulama, Lucknow. Presently I am pursuing personality development class at Madrasa Baitul Uloom Sindgi in Karnataka, where I learn spoken Arabic, spoken English and computer. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen, wassalatu wassalam ala Sayyidil Mursaleen, Muhammadin wa alihi wa sahbihi ajma'een, amma ba'd. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful, all praise due to Allah, the Lord of the universe, the Master of the Day of Judgment. فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم هل يستوي الذين يعلمون والذين لا يعلمون إنما يتذكر أولو الألباب. Are those who know equal to those who don't know? Only those endowed with understanding take heed. قال النبي صلى الله عليه وسلم من سلك طريقا يلتمسه فيه علما سهل الله له طريقا إلى الجنة. The Prophet, peace be upon him, said, whosoever follows a path to seek knowledge, God will make easy for him a path to paradise. The best gift from a father to his child is education and his upbringing. Education has a lot of importance in Islam. The first verse revealed in the Quran is اقرأ باسم ربك الذي خلق. Recite in the name of your Lord who created. Education is a very important task for all human beings. As a spiritual education, as a contemporary education, Islam said, get the education, get the knowledge in both the field. Islamic education as a spiritual education to know your Lord, to know your God, as well as contemporary education. What is going on in the world? What are the ideas? What are the philosophies? What should I do? What should we do? Some Arabic scholar say in Arabic, اطلب العلم من المهد إلى اللحد. Seek knowledge from infancy to the grave. Education is very important for me, for you, for my life, for your life, for my family, for your family, for my progeny, for your progeny. Education in our lives is very important. Without education, we cannot achieve any success. Our aims, our objectives, our targets, we cannot achieve. Education is one of the blessings of many of the education is one of many blessings, bounties, rewards of life. And knowledge cannot be acquired with health. Education is the very important for me, for you, for all human beings. We only realize the importance of light when we see the darkness. We only realize the importance of voice when we are silenced. We only realize the importance of vision when we are blinded. Why is it that countries which we call strong are so powerful and capable of war are so weak in spreading peace? Why is it that manufacturing weaponry appreciated but not appreciated buildings, schools, colleges, facilities? Why is it? Education is most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. Someone can steal your diamond, your gold, your silver, your treasure, but can never steal your knowledge or influence. Dr. APJ Abul Kalam said about the fruitful life, if you 4 things are followed, number 1, having a great aim. Number 2, acquiring knowledge. Number 3, hard work. Number 4, perseverance. One child, one teacher, one pen, one book can change the world. I pray to Allah that He guides us towards for right way, for Sirat al-Mustaqim. I conclude my speech thanking you all for listening to me patiently. Thank you so much and have a nice day.